Find or read reviews that people are talking about Fantasy Football Draft Board 2024 to 2025 kit by Draft Barons. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Fantasy Football Draft Board 2024 to 2025 kit. 5.3x 4-inch extra large board specially made for the 2024 to 2025 season. Light and strong 80-pound paper stock. 14 teams with 20 rounds so you can have a great group of people to join in on the fun. Ensure draft night success and fun with this attention-grabbing board. 26 sticker sheets with 520 individual stickers. Includes 483 individual player stickers, 23 blank labels for your super sleepers and 14 team labels. Fully up to date with the highest ranked players including top rookies. The carefully selected large player list will ensure minimal write-ins. Large 3.5x 1.2 inch player labels with large text, easy to read from far away. High quality, easy to peel stickers leave no residue. Strong stickers ensure teams are picked correctly and labels stay in place. Color-coded positions arranged in alphabetical order by last name, so you can quickly and easily find players without wasting time. All necessary player details are included such as team name, position, and bye week. Optimize your strategy with all the relevant information. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.